Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Anthony. So you are welcome to First Aid Immigrant Solution. In case you've not subscribed, please don't forget, just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. When you do that, whenever we upload new video, you will be alert on any gadget or any electronic device you are watching us from. So the reason why I'm covering my face is because of this coronavirus. So I want to talk on this trending virus, coronavirus. Coronavirus is a virus that is affecting you and I today, and is a trending virus that is derived from animal to human. So that's why they call it zoonotic virus. That means the virus is derived from animal to human. So it is transmitted from animal to human. So that's why we have to be very careful about this virus. And this virus is very broad. It has various families that is very large. It has various families. One of them is MERS coronavirus. We also have SARS coronavirus. We also have a novel coronavirus and COVID-19 coronavirus, which is what I'm going to talk about. COVID-19 coronavirus is a virus that is affecting you and I today, and it's yet to be discovered the cure or the prevention about this coronavirus. So the only thing is what I'm going to talk about is the prevention. The prevention we are going to take is very easy. It's our daily routine. Always wash our hands, always. Washing of hands. First, when you are coughing, please don't use your finger or your palm to rub your face area or to go to your face area, because it's a respiratory aspect. So that's why they normally advise you to do it in a way that you use your hand to cover your mouth, because this palm is a highly transported virus. It can easily transport virus, because whenever you have any germs, any viruses in your hand, you will not know. So you can easily be transmitted to other people when you touch them in their face area or when you kiss or hug them. That's why they try to use this medium to educate us about this virus. So that is for virus. And whenever you want to use soap and water to wash your hands, make sure that you wash it thoroughly. And they also use a disinfectant or chlorine or alcohol chemicals to wash your hand. So if you are cleaning, please use bleach or Candigina as well to also wash the floor, not your hand. Please be careful. So the major reason why I came out is because of this traveling aspect of it. So if you are traveling in this period, it is advisable to shift your traveling either forward or you suspend it in further notice until this coronavirus must have subsided. Because if this coronavirus will travel in this period and your document is less than 3 months or 6 months before it expired, you might face a quarantine problem, because anybody that is traveling from Italy to any part of the world, all of them, they are suspect. It's not because of we are black. It's because when you travel from here to any part of the world, they will have to detain you, because this virus will take about 15 days before we know whether you are contacted or not. So due to that, if you have lesser time to spend in the place you are going and they detain you for 15 days, or as the case may be, or if you are found positive of coronavirus and you are being detained in a place and you now found out that your document expired during your stay, what will you going to do about it to return back home to your base, which is anywhere you live around in Italy? So it will be very difficult for you to come back. That's why it is advisable for you to shift your traveling or you suspend it till further notice until they see the vaccine or cure about this coronavirus. The only thing that is here is the only thing that they've done now is the prevention, which is what I also told you earlier, by washing of your hands or by using any chemical that contains chlorine and disinfectants that contains alcohol to disinfect your hand because of these germs and this virus, because it cannot be seen with our two naked eyes. Please be warned, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Whenever I have any new news, I will notify you. And most of all these offices or our place of work, the work have reduced, so it can also lead to this crisis. Please don't be afraid. The solution will come, because I know that they are working on all the researchers, all their hands are on this. They are working on the solution on how to get the cure. Please subscribe, and when you do that, God bless you. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my video. God bless you.